Hey, it's Lady J and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a return subscriber, welcome back. If you would like to see how I obtained this wonderful protective style, continue watching.
That's lazy.
Alright, we're just going to jump right in. As you can see, I'm grabbing a spray bottle to spray my hair and give it some moisture. Using my hands to make sure that the water is penetrating. It's really helpful if you actually use warm water. It helps with the products. Then you'll see me using a rat tail comb to part out my section. Section is about an inch all the way around, more or less. You can make them as big or as small as you like. And I'll be adding a little bit of gel at the root just to give it a nice grip. And then putting some cream down the shaft of my hair all the way down to the ends. And ooh, look at that moisture. You see the curls just popping. You see it. Look at it. Look at it. You see it. You see the curls. Anyway, yes, I'm taking the sections into 3. Make sure they're more or less about even. See, you see that curl? Yes, right there. Yes, you're just gonna get the braiding. I'm not really sure how to explain braiding. You just have the 3 sections and you just grab from the middle every time. And with mini braids, it's really helpful if you can braid your hair loosely. Like, you still get the braid effect, as you can see from the ones next to it that's already a little bit more dried up. But it gives it a lesser tension. That way they flow a little freely. They move around more. So if you can help it, try to braid loosely. But as you see, I smooth the hair down as I braid. And that's how you get that more even look. And you're just going to keep braiding all the way down. And eventually, you're going to twist at the bottom. And you'll see what I mean in just a moment. Used a little bit of gel on my ends to kind of seal in that moisture on the end. Being honest, I didn't really like that gel. I haven't used this since this style. But any LOC or LCO method will work. Make sure you got yourself a nice leave-in conditioner. Make sure you have a cream that is very moisturizing, that it can really get into your hair, your scalp, ends, all of that. And then top it all off with an oil, or if you do the reverse, have an oil that's really penetrating to the hair, into your scalp. You gotta take care of your scalp. Healthy scalp, healthy hair, And it also seals everything in. I use both methods. I mean, it just depends on the product, for real. They both work. If you can find a product that can do 2-in-1, go for it. But yeah, that's what I do for the most part, and I just continue this with the rest of my head. Section out the part, moisturize it real good, smooth out the root, get 3 even parts, braid loosely, smooth it down my hair as I braid, a little close to the bottom, Twist the bottom finger coil at the end to keep that hair nice and sealed, and moisture at the bottom to help with lymph retention. And yeah, and it'll be a beautiful hairstyle. And you can dress it up with jewelry, or you can leave it as is. It can be used as a base for a protective style, like the sky's the limit. And all in all, it's a nice protective style. You can just get up and go. You easy access to the scalp, so I love it. I really like it. And I'll leave you to watch this without me talking. And thank you for watching again. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload. And any questions that you may have, please put it down in the comments, and I'll be sure to answer all of your questions. Thank you again. And wear your crown proudly.
That's lazy.
Ooh, she cute. Go ahead. Ooh, yes, yes. The movement, the shininess, the glow. Style it. Yes. Own it. Yes. Yes, queen. The versatility, yes. Better own it. Hit him with a smile. Come on, lady.
Video. Once again, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you know the next time I upload, and remember to wear your crown